ti ní ẹ mọ́ lọ, a ti ní kẹ́ ẹ dúró, a ti ní kẹ́ ẹ dúró. Ṣé Yorùbá ni àbáwúsá? Pẹ̀lẹ́ o, Sànú o, ọ̀dọ̀ ya jò sí inú lélẹ́yìí o.
Ẹ wo, àǹtí mi mo ń sá lọ.
Apart from the group of terrorists that they popularly refer to as bandits, I think the another set that are dangerous, just like the people they refer to as bandits, are scrap collectors. The people who are going from your house to house, street to street, collecting condemned iron, they call it scraps. These people are very, very dangerous. And I think what communities and villages should be doing right now is that they should bound people who are looking for scraps, condemn iron, because I noticed that these people are doing two things. Number one, they are stealing. Number two, they are informers. Stealing and informers. They act as informers to terrorists. At least we have three occasions where they were nabbed, and we discovered that yes, most of these people are informers to these terrorists. And another thing they do is that they steal. If they go to, I remember that was last year now, there is one house that I was constructing them. So the electrician came to fix wire. After 2 days, they fixed the wire. These people came, they drew the wire out, they stole the wire. Another one was caught. A finished house or a finished apartment, not that it's an abandoned house. Even though it's abandoned house, you don't have right to enter it. But a finished house. Another one was seen trying to pull away the aluminum, the window. Like these people, what they do is that they steal and they act as informers. Yesterday, there was crisis in Ajo, Ibadan, between Hausas and Yorubas. And it claimed the life of two people. So it was not just a normal, if not that police deployed every deployable equipment and personnel to calm it down. The thing could have escalated more than that and take more lives. What happened? A scrap collector killed a mechanic. The tricycle mechanic is a Yoruba, hardworking Yoruba person. And the scrap collector happens to be an outsider who stabbed the mechanic to death. That was the genesis of everything. Now, this scrap, whether it's a scrap or I don't know what they're collecting, they will go to mechanic shops. The whole iron, even people's hub that mechanic is doing, they will steal it. In fact, if you pack machine, they can even steal your machine, destroy it, dismantle it, and sell the scraps. Like, what sort of rubbish is this? And that led to crisis that erupted yesterday. Yoruba people, after the Hausa man, whether it's Hausa man mainly or Fulani man, because what the Ajo people are saying, because I spoke with someone this morning, what they are saying is that the person is Hausa man. But I understand one thing. Sometimes before, Fulani people, they were not an identity in Nigeria. Like where I came from, there is a city in Agbo. We have Hausa quarter. But in that Hausa quarter, you have today now more Fulanis there, right? But before, we only know Hausa people. We don't know Fulani people. You understand? So what these people are saying is that Hausa and Yorubas are fighting. But the identity, the main identity of the person who killed this Yoruba person, they are just saying the Hausa person, but I don't think they have really verified the identity, okay? Because I ask some questions that led me to be saying what I'm saying now. Because I was trying to know the age, know the person to the ground, which state he came from, but I wasn't provided with this information. So this is what is going on. All these scrap collectors, you have to be very, very careful with them. Now, I'm going to explain another thing to you, but look at the video of the incident that happened yesterday. You will see security operative in the scene. Take a look. Now, about these scrap collectors and these Fulani people. If not that Nigeria is badly structured, which will make Nigeria never to work. I sat down at a time, that was 2017 now. There was a day Nnamdi Kanu had a meeting with the whole Southeast governors when he was demanding that Biafra agitation he's leading is going to stop. If they could provide a very good railways connecting Southeast to either Aba Port or any other port in the Southeast, that they should build a seaport, build international airport, connect railways, give Igbos good inclusion in activities or affairs of Nigeria. What is going like? Do you know what these people said? They said that if we do this seaport and railway and this thing, they will compete with Lagos. That was the first response. Second response is let us be giving you 300 million naira every quarter, every three months, every quarter of the 300 million naira. Let us give you all your well. Let us find you as a vice president. What he's demanding for his people is totally different. And what they are responding back to him is totally different. That is where Nnamdi Kanu understood that this is an agenda. Like, this is not normal. I am asking something for my people. You want to give me money. I didn't say you should build house for me. I'm just saying build seaport in Igbo that my people are business persons. They import things, they do all those things. So they can't be suffering going to another region. They were saying another thing. So that was the time I started thinking about this issue of every ethnic group in Nigeria. For example, Nigeria want to remain one. Every ethnic group should have their regional leader, like president or regional governor, like security, everything. Everybody should rule him or herself. You understand? Every region should rule herself. That was what I was even trying to plan, suggest. You understand? Because I don't see the reason why either Hausa man or Fulani man will come to your community, collecting your scribes. If you talk, he said, I have right to be here, I'm in Nigeria. You don't understand what I'm saying. Any small thing, I have right to be here, I'm in Nigeria. What bullshit. I have right to be here, I'm in Nigeria. Like how? How? Even most of these people are not even Nigerian, but they will come to your place. If you do anything, I'm in Nigeria, I'm in Nigeria. Like, Nigeria have come to kill, to steal, and to destroy you. Nigeria have come to kill, to steal, and to destroy. And once you send them away, you will hear from the Oga from the north. Either Sultan of Sokoto, all those people now will respond. Hey, our people in the south are being chased. If you do that, we will do. Like, what sort of rubbish is all these things? And people want all these things to continue. They can't talk. They can't talk because there is a shadow government ruling Nigeria. That shadow government is not the government in Asoro. There is another shadow government that people don't see. But in reality, this is the government that is ruling Nigeria. And that government is responsible for insecurity in Nigeria. Why? Because they want to use it as time goes on to remove the Nigerian state and impose their own state and their own law. This is the reality. Whether you frown at it or you didn't frown at it, but the reality is going to hit you. So these people should be stopped. They should be stopped. They should be bound from cities to cities, from communities to communities. What they are doing is not good. The activities is not good and it cannot be sustainable. These people give informants to terrorists. They steal your things. They go and cut railway tracks. They will go and cut street lights. Like, what sort of rubbish is all these things? They steal people's cutlasses in the farm, sell it. And they said that they are scrap collectors. No. Stop them before they stop you. Stop them. Community should stop these people. They don't mean well for you.
Ṣé Yorùbá ni àbáwúsá pẹ̀lẹ́ o Sànú o ọ̀dọ̀ yàjò sínú lélẹ́yìí o.
Ẹ wo àǹtí mi mo sá lọ.